Go now.
I can almost see that dream I'm dreaming, but there's a voice inside my hands and you'll never reach it. Every step I'm taking, every move I make feels lost in no direction. My faith is shaking, but I gotta keep trying. Gotta keep my hands held high, 'cause there's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be another battle. Sometimes you're gonna have to lose, and I'm glad how fast I can do. And I'm glad what's waiting on the other side. It's a climb.
Extra world, everybody, and cut.